Hello guys, just let me know if you guys could hear me. Not sure. Yeah, it says we're live. It's 9:34. If you could see in here in the New York time, so it is 14:34 in a London time. So this is 1 minute time frame. Yeah, everything should be fine now. So this is 1 minute time frame chart on Bitcoin. Couple of scenarios I'm really watching right now. I'm a little bit of confused as well. Not sure which way in this morning session market could go. The reason I will tell you like how. First of all, I would say that first of all today, the most important thing. Today we have a no news. Today is Monday, 8th of December. We have a no news today. Tomorrow we have look at this weekly employment change, jobs opening, and Wednesday we have employment calls, interest rate, press conference. Thursday we have unemployment claims. Friday we have a no news. Friday we have just GBP, which is pound news, some GDP. So we have a big news coming up from tomorrow on. And today is Monday as well. So I have seen most of the time on Mondays, market remain choppy, man. Market remain choppy. So this is 1 minute time frame. I'm not sure. This a pink line is a 1 hour time frame favorable gap, which market inverted after a new day opening at this range. It opened at this range. If it could show me, if it let me show, if I don't know, man. Why? Why are you doing this to me? So yeah, if you could see in here on this chart, market we open at this range. New weekly candle, a new day opening candle was this one around 7 o'clock or maybe 8 o'clock. It was 8 o'clock. It was 12 o'clock. So it was 12 o'clock in London time when we have new day opening. So yeah, this range 7 o'clock in the New York time, 5 hour difference. Yeah. So we invert this 1 hour time frame fairly gap and gone up, went toward upward side, and then disrupt this previous high as well, which is this yesterday high, and then coming back down, show rejection. Good, these wicks. Look at these wicks, and then so far we're going down. By the way, just after just it opened, went toward upper side, went down. Show rejection again from the daily high, and then look at this. Just give us this candle, and then going down. I was considering this. I was leaning bullish the way we inverted this 1 hour time frame fairly gap, and then I was like could disturb the previous high and could go to weekly high as well. And I was also leaning like maybe the weight has shown rejection from those highs and failure to go above those highs and then went down. This is this daily high as well. The way if you could see in this high, lower high, higher low, so higher low, higher low. We have this daily high as well on charts, and then we could be bearish as well. So just after the opening, it went up, created this toward downside aggressively. Now I wanted to see if it had potential to continue to be bearish to this to the 1 hour time frame fair value gap 1 hour time frame fair value gap low, which is this monthly low, and 4 hour time frame fair value gap high as well. In that case scenario, I wanted to see market should have to keep this value gap open. Let's see. because you have seen just after the opening it give us these two bullish candles and then going down. So I wanted to see continuation to a downward side. Let's see. So we have to be. I'm pretty much in a concern that concerned that market may not give us any trade in this session. The reason is Monday, no news. Tomorrow, big news coming up. It is for me. It is likely possibility. Maybe we can have a scalp trade. Maybe we could have a scalp trade. But I will be content with the price action that if I can be able to miss this scalp trade, I will be fine. I do not do the charts or do not need to be aggressively pushing the buttons. I do not want to aggressively push the buttons. So yeah, that's how it is. We just watching and observing. So if I can be able to find any trade, so far no. So yeah, let's see. Like look at this. Let's see. I'm anticipating a short position, which is what I usually prefer not to do. Still, just that's why I'm anticipating. I'm not trading. I prefer to watch out the market for at least 10 to 15 minutes to see initial price action, and we have seen just after the opening initial price action market do went down. This short position here. What is this hand? Why this is slow? My mouse. Oh my goodness! What is this happening? Shh. Anticipating a short position, man. Anticipating a short. Oh my goodness! What is this happening? Don't even know. Fuck. Oh. So my I wanted to put my stop loss just above this high, and I wanted to see if it has the potential to come down in here. Not trading this, not pushing the buttons. I don't know. It is just after 12 minutes after the new day opening. I may be completely wrong. Market could went toward upper side from here. I'm just anticipating. We have seen just after the opening a downside projection. Let's see if market has a potential to continue to be bearish from here. We have seen downside projection, gateway valley gap, 1 minute time frame. Wicked inside this, I feel like oh this could be my stop loss, so that's why I was like I am anticipating a short position here, not trading this. I don't need to push buttons or push the needle. Look at this, I got stopped out on this trade. With this, look at this, we have just done an anticipation, and it was wrong anticipation. So that's why I was just telling you I'm not at all confident that this could play it out. I'm just saying that it may possible. So that's why we are just anticipating. I'm actually tired. I just sleep for 1.5 hour last night. And if I cannot be able to find anything, I'm just closing the charts and then going for sleep. If I can be able to get sleep, it's already 3 o'clock. I have to go for my job at 5:15. Leave house. So if you can see in here, we have recovered well from this range. By the way, we have recovered pretty much very good from this range. And look at this 15-minute close. Look at this 15-minute time frame candle close. As we was already bullish at this range, I was already bullish at as we was already bullish at this range. I was already bullish at this range before. This was one out of favorably gap inverted, and from this range, if you could just go in here from this is a range we are trading inside. If you could just watch out this for a second in here. We have not discussed the bigger picture time frame. I will discuss with you after some time. But if you could just see this, so this for a second, after the aggressive downside for a second last week, we have been trading inside this weekly low and weekly high, which is this weekly fairly gap, which is this weekly fairly gap in here all the way this one. So we have been trading inside, maybe going up above the high, go below the previous lows, below the lows, so which is fine, but we are more of like trading inside this range, and market is more of like, I feel like maybe we are bearish overall still, but maybe market try to settle down at this range. This is also a possibility as well. We cannot deny play it out on charts as well. And considering this, if we have, this is a range, value high, point of control, and value rare. Look at this. This is a bounce from the 91 155, which is the point of control of the range, and we have seen we do get the bounce from here at this range toward upper side. And if you could see in here, look at this. I'm anticipating this is my bottom on charts, and then this is was the point of control of the range. Let's see if market has a potential to not to go below this low. I can anticipate a long position in here. I'm anticipating a long position in here, buying in here right now. My stop loss could be below this low. There's a VWAP as well in here, and we can target all of those highs. Let's see if market has a potential to give us this trade. Because the reason I have anticipated this trade, we have seen we was already bullish on charts. For now time from favorably gap inversion, we hold this area, do come down after the opening, failed to be bearish from here, and now I wanted to see a bullish perception from here. This was this point of control of the range as well, and let's see if it has a potential to be a bullish, or may he got stopped out again. Maybe this anticipation is also wrong, man. I was just looking to put my stop loss there. So I was like, from here it has to be bullish, and this will be my fairly at low, but it too went down again. This is bad, man. So this kind of projection you will see. You will anticipate it will be bullish from here. It will be going down. You will anticipate it is going to be bearish from here. It will be going up. So you cannot deny that this kind of projection, when market remains choppy, it you will It usually do like this. In these kind of session, when market has to remain choppy or has to do nothing really, it will be doing these kind of per second. At the lows, you will be thinking like, oh, it is going down, it will go up. At the highs, you will be thinking like, oh, it is going up, it will be going down. Sorry guys, I'm not saying anything right now. Oh my god, I'm falling sleeping. By the way, sorry guys, because I'm tired now. That's why I just sleep for 1 hour. Uh, 1 hour, 2 hour, maybe, yeah, for whole yesterday. So let me quickly discuss more for like bigger picture time frame, and then we will discuss. We'll be keeping an eye on 1 minute time frame as well. So at this point, I was just anticipating it would be bullish from here. It is going down now, and then on just 15-minute time frame, we was anticipating this could be our bottom, but it is going down now. We have a 217 more of like 957 now. Let's see, because I don't know, man. It's so far it's chop, man. You have to stay away. You have to stay away. Just go to 5 minute time frame. Just go to 5 minute time frame, and after 9:30, watch out these candles. 9:30. Do you think there is any trade in here? I don't think so. I don't think so. So in these kind of sessions, you have to avoid not to push buttons, not to push any kind of button. So just quickly wanted to go to more of like bigger picture time frame. We discuss everything, and then if it remains chop like this, I may close the adjustment today. So a couple of scenarios I really wanted to discuss right now in this. Let me delete these levels from here. We delete them. So we have today's Monday. We have a new day, new weekly candle is in a new. We have quite a bunch of news coming up this whole week. As we have just discussed right now, 9th, 10th, 11th of December. You know, yesterday was my birthday, by the way. Nobody even wished me. Nobody. So this one, you're a man now. This is a sign you're a man now. And if you could see, daily time frame, if you could just try to understand this perception from the market. On we'll start with the weekly time frame. By the way, we have been going down for last couple of weeks, couple of months. We have been going down after new all time high. If you could see just in here, this is a complete bearish price action from charts. This is this previous major low. These two lines are the monthly fair value gap we are trading inside right now. At this is the monthly fair value gap high. We are trading at monthly fair value gap high on charts. And if you could just go to daily time frame on charts, we have been. This is the weekly fair value gap, the weekly high and the weekly low is the weekly fair value gap we're trading inside right now. And if you could see just in here, we after this aggressive bearish price action on charts, this is what I was just observing and watching the charts yesterday as well. We have this weekly fair value gap in here. Last week weekly high is this one on charts, and we are already like this is already a bearish price action from charts. We This could be the top. Bullish cycle is finished, and then in that case scenario, we are already going down. This is a fair value gap. We could be bearish from here. This weekly time frame, it should not have to go above this high. This is already a weekly fairly gap high as well. From here, we would have to go down, disrupt all of those lows, continuation toward low levels. Bullish case scenario, not to go below this low. From here, we have to be bullish from here. But as we have seen that last week, we have been trading inside this weekly fairly gap. It is possible that we may continue to be trading inside this weekly fairly gap as well, which is also possible. We can not deny that on charts. So far, this after 9:30, if you could watch out this price action in here, a complete choppy price action. This